You know what's weird this year? It's the most silent Diwali I have ever seen for Bollywood releases. Like कोई crazy नहीं है. Remember when Diwali used to mean new clothes, new mithai, and a brand new SRK movie? Those were the days. Cut to now. The only thing shining this Diwali is the diyas. There was a time when Diwali clashes were like a sport. High stakes, high drama, and high blood pressure for producers. Remember? Jab Tak Hai Jaan vs Son of Sardar? That wasn't a clash. That was Bollywood's version of fight, fight, and fight. Friendships were tested. Ajay Devgan versus YRF versus SRK. Drama behind the scenes was juicier than the films itself. Then we had other clashes like Savaria versus Om Shanti Om, Dawn versus Chanaman, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil versus Shivai, Veer Zara versus Aetras. Every Diwali used to feel like a blockbuster boxing match. Even last year, though the movies weren't exactly path-breaking, at least there was some buzz. We had Singham Again versus Bhool Bhulaiya 3. Lazy clash. But at least people were talking. There was some energy, some memes, some excitement in the air. But 2025, oh boy. 2 Diwali releases, Thama and Ek Diwani Ki Diwaniyat. And no one cares. Like genuinely, not even the PR interns seem to remember there's a release coming up. It's from Maddox's horror comedy universe, which usually does well. But the marketing? Disastrous! Maybe the team's still recovering from the Param Sundari trauma. They have dropped 3 item songs with the OGs Malaika and Nora. And yet, no buzz. That's just a marketing failure. That's a marketing obituary. Something is clearly not going right and Maddox should analyze it. I feel Rashmika Mandana needs to understand that even though we love her energy, but she's delivering lines while staring at a distant void and it's not going well with the audiences. Then there's Ek Diwani Ki Diwaniyat, a smaller film, no franchise baggage, and surprisingly, a bit of genuine curiosity. The leads are actually fine, the dialogues are decent, but the marketing is like non-existent. These films, when compared to other films, which are way bigger than them, they actually need a lot of marketing. Definitely, their marketing team is down with the flu just like me. So my gut says Ek Diwani Ki Diwaniyat might make more profit than Thama. Not in the box office collection, but definitely in return of investment. So yeah, from SRK versus Ajay Devgan to Thama versus who cares. Bollywood Diwali clashes have gone from blockbuster wars to polite whispers. Anyways, happy Diwali! May your crackers be louder than Bollywood's marketing this year and a better throat than mine.